Hi folks, now it's a long time since I did a video on archery, so I thought I would do one today. So firstly, I want to show you a very nice accessory that I bought from Decathlon, which is a pin sight. This thing here is the pin sight, and it came to around about £6, which I thought was very reasonable. And what you've got is a little red dot within a cube of transparent plastic, a metal thread which will move the red dot either to the left or to the right, and also we've got a scale down here so that dot can be moved up or down. Now when you come to use one of these, set it up and aim with the red dot on the, I was going to say yellow, gold bull. Archers call the bull gold. General public tend to think of it as yellow. Same difference. Anyhow, when you fire your arrows, what you're looking for to begin with is a grouping. So I fire 5 arrows, and if I get a grouping of 3, then I'm happy. Now you look at this grouping of 3. The chances are when you're aiming at the bull, you're going to miss it, because arrows behave differently. Some may go up, some may go down. So once you've got your grouping, you look and say, all right, that grouping has gone high and to the left. So then you move this little red dot up and to the left and try again. If, on the other hand, the grouping is low and to the right, okay, you move the dot down and to the right. The rule is follow the arrows with the dot. Simple enough. And by doing this several times, you should be able to get spot on, in theory, and hit the bull. Now it does make your archery a lot more accurate. And as I said, this thing is absolutely brilliant. It was designed for the Geologic Club 500 bow. This bow isn't that one. But what I did to fit it on was simply to get a twin-sided sticky tab, place this onto the mounting on the pin sight, and just push it onto this bow, the plastic on the bow, and it's gone on quite well. If you've got the actual geologic bow, then there are 2 screws and fittings in that bow which you screw on. With this particular type of bow though, I thought, well, should I drill a hole, put the screws in? No, I thought not. Would weaken the bow too much. Sticky sided pad was brilliant, it does the trick nicely. Now, just to show you how good it is, normally I buy 42cm square targets, quite big ones. But what I got from Decathlon, well, my advertising Decathlon, are these targets. And they come as 3 in a row, and obviously much smaller than the 40cm square targets that I normally get. And I'll show you a homemade target that I made now. Got it down here. There it is. Oh, I'm using just 2 of the targets together. Much smaller, as I said, than the normal target that I used. And to show you just how that pin sight improves your accuracy, turn this around and there we are at 13 metres. Look at this, big holes all around the bull. So yeah, it does improve your accuracy a lot. So if you've got a bow and you're thinking about a pin sight, yes, get one. And that one from Decathlon, very cheap, very sturdily built, and I thoroughly recommend it. One other item, accessory that I can also recommend, gave from Decathlon, is a shooting glove. Now for shooting gloves to be any good, they've got to be a nice tight fit. Like the old saying goes, fits like a glove, and this needs to. You get them in 3 different sizes, small, medium and large, and you don't want it to be loose and floppy. So try them on, you can try them in the shop, no problem. Find one that fits nice and snugly and you'll be fine. If it's too loose, that will affect how the arrows go. So anyhow, that's a little bit of advice on archery. Hope you guys enjoy your archery, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.